Hello, this is Susan Woods of Susan Woods Nonprofit Solutions. Thank you for your time. This is a new video series that I am sharing with you called Starting 501c3 Nonprofits, and I'm walking you through the 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization from scratch. I recorded this video series back in 2020, but since that time, things have changed. So in some of the videos, you may see redundant information back to 2020, but in other video messages, you will see information that's dramatically different. In this video, I'm going to talk about step number 1 of 20, which is validate problem. Step 1, validate problem. The first step to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization is to validate the problem by providing statistical data that supports your claim. In addition, you must confirm that the people who you perceive to have the problem believe there is a problem and is open to receiving help. Let me elaborate on that just for a moment. You may see that there are people in your community who are experiencing homelessness. They are homeless. And to you, because you have a home, you believe that is a problem. So, in order to validate that as a problem, you have to provide the statistical data that supports your claim that there are homeless people in the community. How do you prove that in writing with data that you would get from your government or agencies in a community where you live? Another way to validate the problem is to also make sure that it is actually a problem. I mean, you may be surprised to know that there are people who are homeless that don't see it as a problem. So there's no need for you to venture out to create a 501c3 nonprofit organization to address a problem that your target group don't perceive as being a problem. So that's what validate problem means, and that's the first step of the 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization. The next step in the process, step 2, is define the purpose. Again, this is a series that I created that talks about the 20 steps to starting a 501c3 nonprofit organization, and each video message will cover each of the 20 steps. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.